Hello music cadets, it's Captain Sarah speaking here for day 5 of preparations for our upcoming mission, the quest for the Creativity Crystal. How are you finding life on board the SS Arachnid? Is it comfortable? Is it pleasurable? Is it fun? Is it exciting? Is it stimulating? I bet. Today, we visit the 6th planet from the Sun, the planet that we can still see, the last one with the unaided, naked human eye. And what planet is that? Saturn! And Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, the second largest gas giant after Jupiter. So let's get right into it. What are 3 facts about the planet Saturn? Number 1, Saturn gets its hazy yellow-brown coloring from the components in its atmosphere. Like Jupiter, it's got a lot of hydrogen. It's also got some helium, but really it's the layers and 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 layers of the water ice and ammonia crystals in its upper atmospheric clouds that give it its yellow-brown color. Fact number 2, Saturn takes 29.5 years to go all the way around the Sun. If you were to ask your favorite astrologer, you'd probably hear them talk about something called the Saturn return. What's that? A Saturn return is when the Saturn in the sky comes around to the exact same position where it was when you were born. This marks a period of intense maturation and growth, a need to integrate all of the lessons that you have gone through over the past 29.5 years of your life. This is in order for you to build a better, more solid, more enduring foundation that you can stand on as you head into your next personal Saturn cycle for the next 29.5 years. Fact number 3, for this one I'm actually going to skip over talking about Saturn's rings to bring you this information. So listen, let's get close. Did you know that on Saturn's moons we could potentially find life? That's right in our own backyard, in our own solar neighborhood. On Titan, for example, Titan. Titan is one of Saturn's largest moons. I think it's actually Saturn's largest moon. I'll have to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, Titan has a huge, dense atmosphere. So dense that it's got the capability to have its own weather. What? Yeah, that means it rains on Titan. It rains liquid methane, but it still rains on Titan nevertheless. And that rain falls down onto Titan's surface, falling into Titan's liquid methane seas. That's right, it's got seas, liquid methane rivers, it's got rivers too, and liquid methane lakes. A whole bunch of liquid bodies of methane are scattered about all over the moon. And something that's even more interesting is that because of the rain, because it exists here, that makes Titan the only other place in our solar system where we could potentially see a rainbow. That's awesome, right? That's so awesome. Okay, what else? Enceladus, another one of Saturn's moons. Enceladus is encased in a thick layer of icy crust, but underneath that layer of ice, there's a whole salty, liquid water ocean that's filled with the very simple chemical components that would be necessary for life as we know it to exist there. Which brings me back to Titan. Let's talk about what type of life we might find there. Obviously, with all that methane going around, and please don't light a lighter and bring some oxygen because that would not be a good idea. But anyway, going back to the alien life forms that might exist on Titan, well, we'll have to bring in our imagination for that. What do you see? What type of aliens do you imagine could potentially be existing here? I have a pretty good idea. Head down to the moon's surface with me and let's see if we can attract the aliens' attention by making some pretty dope beats. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. this looks like a good place to get set up. Let's get started. Oh man, I'm still feeling that groove. Woo! That was super fun. If you're ready to join me and play music for aliens on other weird planets, then let me know by typing "I wanna feel the stars" once again in the comments below, and be sure to check out the description for more details. I cannot wait to see you on the quest for the Creativity Crystal this December 28th through January 1st. Alright, Music Cadet, this is Captain Sarah signing off. I'll see you next time when we rendezvous around the planet Uranus. Woo! Rendezvous! Rendezvous!